Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going on the highway. Let's go. I'm just gonna actually just cut it when I get there, so yeah. See y'all there. Alright boys, I'm here. Let's go, I guess. Get some good old wheelies in. Give these drivers a show. What is that guy doing? What the? Oh, I gotta fix the sign. This is the thing I gotta do. And I just made it much worse. Okay. I don't have a kickstand because I looped my bike the other day and it broke off the kickstand, so I'll fix that on the way back. I'll figure out how. I just made that much worse. Here, actually, let's go down here. Let's go to see this creek. Oh, that did not sound healthy. Good thing this thing has a skid plate. Oh, nice. That's cool. Let's go ride under here. Oh shoot. Little wheelie up the hill. I don't want to scrape my helmet. And we're rolling back down. I want to wheelie up it. Alright, watch this wheelie. Oh crap. There we go. Alright, I need to go to that bridge and get a good thumbnail. I also gotta go fix that sign. Okay, let's go fix the sign, boys. This grass is so deep. Alright. Oh gosh. My bike's falling. Just go up, sign. I fixed it, but it's gonna tip from one gust of wind. Sign fixed. For like probably not even a whole day. It's gonna tip any second. That sign could save a life. I probably just saved a life. I'm gonna call the cops. I'm scared. That car just honked at me. Gotta get to the bridge to get the thumbnail. There you go. I gotta merge into that middle lane, get right in there where the bridge is, where all the stop sign is. That's the thumbnail. Wait, what? Okay, here we go. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Thumbnails. Thumbnail. Okay, that should be good. I think I did, boys. What if this thing's not recording? I would be so sad. Got the thumbnail. Okay, I don't know if I should just cut it. I might cut this just where I get back to the house. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy. These little lumps almost killed me into that thing. I couldn't brake fast enough. That could have been really bad. Imagine I fall in there. Ow. These hurt so bad. Especially because I looped my bike the other day. So my butt is like broken. Wee wee. Oh, that was a cough. Merge. Wow. Oh, we're playing chicken. Okay. And we're back to my neighbor. Alright. If y'all enjoyed that video, please hit that like. Oh, and if you're wondering what this is my speaker. I hooked it up to that. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and go watch my other videos. I have like 3 other videos out. I just made this channel. Want it to blow up, but it's not doing that at all. I'm getting barely any views. But I don't know, this video might do better. So yeah, please go watch my other videos. And just hit that like button. I really appreciate it. I noticed every little. What was that sound? It sounded like a cough. That literally made my heart drop. I don't know what that was. It's probably coming after me. Alright, but yeah, please like the videos. Go watch my other 2. And catch y'all on flip. I should be uploading more videos this week. Bye.